friends out there in YouTube world, thanks for watching. Wow, I'm doing backflips over this thing. This is a Denzel Samurai, and this is a legit piece of transportation. Eco-friendly, no gas, no oil. You just charge it and go. In Illinois, this would be considered an e-bike, so there's no license or registration fees required. You just treat it like a bicycle. You know, don't be an ass about it. Whenever I'm on the sidewalk, I keep it under 13 miles an hour. When I'm in the bike paths, I keep it under 20 because I'm always afraid of people opening the door on me because they're not paying attention. And then when I'm in the street, I like to keep it at 35 miles or under just to be safe because I only have a very minimal experience on this. Prior to this year, I've never even been on anything other than just a bicycle. Earlier, I purchased and have been riding around on an electric scooter. You can check those posts out here. It's a Fat Bear electric scooter. If it fits your needs, I highly recommend it. It's only 30 miles an hour and a quarter the price of the Denzel. However, the Denzel is definitely a better machine and a lot more powerful. It definitely kicks up there and I can get past people in traffic pretty good. It has a speed limiter switch, which I think is really cool. So those of you who want to probably give it to somebody who's younger, just flip that switch. They can't go any faster than 30 miles an hour. However, when you take that switch off, you can hit up to 50, 53 miles an hour, depending on circumstances. 20-inch fat wheels, they're 20 by 14. Good for these chewed up roads in Chicago. Because of how stealthy and silent this thingy is, I am more of a defensive driver. I'm very much conscious of everything that's going on because I know how naked it is to be out there on a bike alone. You have nothing. You have no airbags. You have nothing. I've seen a lot of silliness already. People on their phones, people not checking their blind spots, so you definitely got to be aware and be a defensive driver. Be careful out there, wear a helmet, wear some gloves, wear something to protect yourself. So far, there hasn't been much issue from the police. The coppers have been pretty cool about it. They just look at me. One police officer followed me around for a few blocks, but I guess they were listening for a motor, and then they just left. So far, so good. Only people who stop me really are just regular folks trying to ask me questions about it, and I'm more than happy to answer them. Just follow me along here. There's plenty of details. A way to commute to work, a way to get back home. I'm only 10 miles away from where I'm at, and this will get me there. It'll save me much more time than if I were in my car, and a hell of a lot more time if I was taking public transportation. Especially in a small city where everything is nearby. You can charge it overnight. You could charge it at work. Whatever fits your needs. In colder temperatures, it does seem to drain the power quicker. So when the weather gets better, I'll ride around a little more and get a better feel for how long I can go. But supposedly it has 65 miles range on a charge. I mean, there are so many advantages to an electric bike like this. You save so much money. There's almost next to no maintenance. Somewhere along the future, you're going to have to change your tires, your brakes, and your rotors. Very, very eco-friendly, and that's exactly why I like this thing. Next year, I'll barely be using my car during good weather. If you like my riding videos, please follow along. I will post as many as I can. I have dual jobs, so I don't have much time to do these things. So as quickly as I get them done, I post them and move to the next one. Otherwise, it'd just be overwhelming. Please wear a helmet, ride safely, and be safe in this crazy pandemic.